In today's fast-paced world, students face numerous challenges when it comes to staying focused and maximizing their study potential. But fear not. We're here to help you study smarter, not harder. Introducing the best tech gadgets for students that will revolutionize your study routine. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Rocketbook Fusion, a smart notebook that combines the convenience of handwritten notes with the power of digital organization. With this innovative tool, handwritten notes are effortlessly transformed into digital files with the help of the Rocketbook app. Using any pen or marker, jot down your ideas, equations, or diagrams in the Fusion. Then, simply use the app to scan and upload your notes to popular cloud storage platforms like Google Drive or Evernote. No more bulky notebooks or the fear of losing important information. The Fusion's reusable pages can be wiped clean with a damp cloth, ready for you to start fresh. With various page templates and easy organization within the app, studying becomes more efficient and clutter-free. Embrace the Rocketbook Fusion and elevate your study game to new heights. Now let's meet your new study buddy, the Anki Vector, an adorable AI-powered robot companion that will bring excitement and interactivity to your study sessions. Vector is more than just a robot, it's a helpful and intelligent assistant designed to make studying a breeze. Need a quick answer to a question? Vector has got you covered. With its vast knowledge base, it can provide answers and explanations on various topics, helping you understand concepts better. It can even set timers to keep you on track during study breaks or remind you when it's time to switch subjects. But what sets Vector apart is its ability to create a fun and engaging study environment. It can display study reminders, motivational messages, and even flashcards to help you review important information. Imagine having a cute robot by your side, cheering you on and making studying enjoyable. Now let's talk about the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 headphones. These wireless noise-canceling headphones are here to revolutionize your study experience by providing an immersive audio environment that blocks out distractions and allows you to focus entirely on your studies. With the Quiet Comfort 35-2 headphones, bid farewell to the cacophony of the outside world and say hello to undisturbed concentration. Whether you're studying in a bustling library or a noisy dorm room, these headphones utilize advanced noise-canceling technology to actively detect and neutralize external sounds, creating a tranquil space for optimal productivity. But these headphones offer more than just exceptional audio performance. They are equipped with built-in Google Assistant and Alexa, transforming them into your personal study assistant. With a simple voice command, you can manage your tasks, check your schedule, and even control your study playlist. Need to review a concept while your hands are busy? Just ask your headphones, and they'll provide the information you need without skipping a beat. Let's explore the incredible Wacom Intuos Pro, a digital drawing tablet that's a must-have for students in design or art-related fields. This versatile gadget revolutionizes your creative process and enhances productivity. The Intuos Pro's pressure-sensitive pen ensures precise control, allowing you to effortlessly take digital notes, create mind maps, and sketch diagrams. Its natural and intuitive drawing experience brings your ideas to life with ease. Customization is key with the Intuos Pro. Its programmable shortcut buttons and touch ring can be tailored to your workflow, boosting efficiency and saving time. Seamlessly compatible with popular design software, such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, the tablet empowers you to bring your visions into reality. Available in various sizes, the Intuos Pro fits your workspace and mobility needs. With multi-touch gestures and seamless navigation, it provides an immersive digital art experience. Don't overlook the importance of staying physically active while studying. Introducing the Qbi Pro, a compact elliptical trainer that seamlessly fits under your desk, ensuring you can exercise while you work. It's time to prioritize your health during those lengthy study sessions. The Qbi Pro offers a discreet and convenient solution for incorporating physical activity into your study routine. Its compact design allows you to pedal quietly and effortlessly, without causing disruptions or distractions. Burn calories, increase blood flow, and improve your overall well-being without leaving your desk. With adjustable resistance levels, you can tailor your workout intensity to your fitness level and preferences. Whether you want a gentle pedal or a more challenging session, the Qbi Pro has you covered. Let's highlight the Lumos Kickstart Smart Helmet, a game changer for students commuting on bicycles or scooters. This helmet prioritizes both safety and visibility during your daily commutes. The Lumos Kickstart features integrated LED lights and turn signals, ensuring you're seen by motorists and pedestrians. The bright front and rear lights, along with the turn signals, enhance your visibility, especially in low-light conditions. Safety should always be a top priority, and the Lumos Kickstart Smart Helmet provides peace of mind. By alerting others to your intentions, you can navigate traffic confidently and reduce the risk of accidents. Lastly, let's explore the incredible capabilities of the Echo Show 10, a smart display that will revolutionize your study experience. This device combines the power of Amazon's Alexa with a rotating screen, offering a range of features to keep you connected and productive throughout your academic journey. With the Echo Show 10, you have access to all the benefits of Alexa, the virtual assistant. Just ask Alexa to set reminders, manage your schedule, or answer questions, and it will assist you with ease. But the Echo Show 10 takes it a step further by providing a visual display for an enhanced interactive experience. The rotating screen of the Echo Show 10 allows you to make video calls, ensuring you can connect with classmates, teachers, or study groups, even if you're miles apart. Attend virtual study sessions, collaborate on projects, and stay connected effortlessly. And there you have it, the best tech gadgets for students to study smarter, not harder. These gadgets are designed to enhance your study experience and help you achieve academic success. Whether you're looking to streamline your note-taking, stay organized, or create a more immersive and efficient study environment, these gadgets have got you covered. So, don't hesitate to embrace the power of technology and take advantage of these incredible tools. Incorporate them into your study routine and unlock the potential for increased productivity and success. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Stay updated with the latest tech gadgets and tips to optimize your academic journey. Until next time, happy studying!